Hey guys, Paul here. Hey, hopefully everyone's having a great day. Hopefully this video doesn't upset you, but I'm going to try something new with you guys. Like I said, I keep talking about Google Classroom. I've tried a few things. I'm just looking for a path. I think once we get one sewed out, I think it'd be something that could be really constructive for us all. One of the main things we struggle with, and even I struggle with the teachers, math. Okay, so that's kind of one of the purposes behind this. This is not something you have to do. If you don't want to do it, that's okay. But I'm going to show you what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be putting out lessons, and if you want to do them, I'm going to give you bonus for those lessons. Okay, the more participation I get, the more lessons I'll push out. Okay, and it might come into maybe this can be our math. I don't know, but we'll see where it goes. But like I said, some of you are doing okay, and if you're doing okay and you want a little bit better grade, you can do one or two. Some of you might be really struggling, and this might be the tool to get you through. Okay, but I'm going to show you, and it's all kind of on here. What I have here is I have the email I'm going to be pushing out to you. So when you get this YouTube on your phone, is go to your school email and look at it and pull it up, and you'll see it all there. It looks something like this. I might add a couple things to it, but I might not. But I'm going to make that we can kind of see it. Oops. There we go. We're going to copy that. Control C. I'm going to come over here. I'm going to open up a new window, and I'm going to paste it. Okay. Real life struggles. Control C. Now I'm going to put this in the window. Control V. And it's going to pull us up. Now this is something called Quizlet. Okay. And Quizlet is just part of what we're doing. Okay. That was the first thing we saw up there. There's a join code. We also have Google Classroom. Let me see if I can pull it up too. Okay. This is Google Classroom. Google Classroom is going to be like the brains behind operation. Kind of think of it as Facebook, but for school. I used it in brick and mortar and I loved it. Okay, it was really, really good. It's got all types of things on there, and this is where I can put your lessons. This is where you can also go in and not just like Facebook, you can make comments and you can do things. In here, you can make responses. For one of the lessons is I come down here. Here's a YouTube video. You click on it. Okay, you start watching it. And these YouTube videos are really, really cool. Okay, I really like them. I'll open them up, watch a few things.
26%. On the nation's report card, that's the percentage of U.S. 12th graders who are proficient in math.
See, and that's okay. And there we go. It's really, really cool what he's talking about there. Okay, now I'm going to X out of this. Okay. And show you, but what you do is you watch the video, okay? And he's talking about like 26% of high school seniors are competent at math, okay? And math is something you can use. Math is something that's going to help you get a job. It's going to help you get ahead. And you might not think about it, but construction, mechanics, everything, okay? Even like being a nurse, all this, they have math in it. The math is really pretty simple, but the problem with math is it's a language, and that's what we're trying to teach you is a language, and try to work from it from there, okay? If you understand the language, you can operate in it. All math is the four things: adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing. Okay. Now, some of those more complex problems, yeah, there's all those different things that go into that, and you got to figure out how to do that. But the variables, all those things, but all of it is just like terminology, okay, and steps. And what I'm going to try to do is help you get through that. Okay. If you know the language, you'll operate. You can't go to French and only speak English and expect to get around very well. Okay. These videos, if you watch the videos and you want to do that lesson and participate, just come up and make a comment. Great video. This is what I thought. The more work you put into it, the better, the more points I'll give you. Okay. If you read a book, I might give you a whole lot of points. Okay. But here's another one. This is a link to our lesson on Stalingrad. Okay. And it's got some different things. Let me see if we open it up. I don't even know what this one is. Oh yeah, that's the lesson we actually did the other day. And if you want to watch that and participate in that, that's perfect. Great. Okay. Here's one that's kind of cool. Like I said, this is going to pull back up Quizlet. This is what we looked at. This is the test part of it. Doing this is what's going to get you the grade. Okay. You can take it as many times as you want to get 100. Hey, super. Okay. But it's also got the flashcards. And the flashcards are, as we go back through, I really need to get a new computer. Next time you guys see Mrs. McCord, just tell her, hey, get that man a new computer. Okay. But it's got right here, and these are just terms. This is learning that language. Okay, variable is what changes, most often represented by letter or letter raised to power. Okay, I got a separate video already made over this, and I'm gonna attach that to this. Some of it's kind of a repeat, but like I said, I made it earlier this morning, and as this thing kind of grew and I developed more of it, I kind of changed it, so that's where we're at now. Coefficient, official name given to the number or part of a term. Coefficients, what is coefficient? That word's thrown at you. Wow, it's like, I have no idea what he's talking about. Bilbrat. Okay, what the heck did he say? Bilbrat. What? Sandwich in Russian. Easy if you're Russian, you know it's a sandwich. Makes me hungry. If you're not Russian, Bilbrat just sounds like something weird. Okay? Makes no sense. Malinchuk is son. Okay? Malinchuk or boy. If you don't know that, if I said Malinchuk, you'd be like, what? No idea. But, okay, if you know the language, it makes sense. Okay, now, and that's what we're doing is we're learning the language, and it's very possible. Coefficient. Official name given a number, part of a term. Sounds technical, but it's not. It's just the number. 2x. It's the 2. Okay? Monomial is a one term. Now, the 2x itself, the 2x is a term. 2x to the rise third power. That's still monomial. That's still 1. Okay? And like I said, we can go through polynomial. Here's the one that I kind of like, and I explained that in the other video too. I'll go ahead and hit it again. But polynomial is like saying McCord. There's a McCord family. There's 5 of us. Me, my wife Donna, Natalie, Daisy, Paul. We're a family. Okay? Polynomial is like saying McCord. Okay? Binomial, trinomial, monomial. Those are like saying Darren or Paul or all this. It's using it more specifically. Okay? Broad, and then the others are kind of more in tight. Binomial, by 2. Okay? Bicycle, 2 wheels. Trinomial. Tricycle, 3 wheels. Okay. Polynomial with 3 terms. Power. Okay. The raised number showing how many times a number is multiplied by itself. Another term for exponent. In the Stalingrad lesson, we talked about it. The German tanks were far superior than the Russian tanks originally. But that'll change. I'm not going to bother you. I think I went through the whole lesson on the other one. Okay. I'm just going to kind of show you. We'll go through a match. This is kind of cool. And what it is just a drag and drop. Like I said, you can join the class and you can check it out. A number that's being divided, dividend. Okay. An expression with only one term. That is monomial. The answer to a multiplication problem. Oh, that sounds like a polynomial. It's not. Okay? And it showed red and balanced out. So, product. Okay? A mathematical notation indicates the number of times the quantity is multiplied by itself. Oh, it's not. It's a, right there. A polynomial with 2 terms. Bye. We go through it. Oh, hey, I got first place. I'm really, really slow. You guys can beat that. But what it was really cool about this, like I said, when you join this, I want you to join with your actual, well, I don't know, as long as I know it's you, okay? I prefer you use your email, your like PM2520, but if you want to put your first name and last name, whatever you want to do, you can do it, okay? Just as long as I'm able to know it's you. Some of them I might not know, like Turbinator. I don't know who that is. I know who Turbinator is, but anyway, might not, okay? Now, we'll go back over this, okay? That's Quizlet. Okay, when we go back and we look at the math class, like I said, that's one of the ways we can get I can push lessons out to you. And like I said, this is all optional, okay? I got other lessons I did this summer in summer bridging I can put on here. You can work through. I can continue running with the Stalingrad. If this works out, I would love nothing more than to put out. I got a great Hunger Games. There was one that, was it True Grit? There's a couple other ones that I just got. That are, The Outsiders, which was filmed in Bixby. That would be a really cool book study. We can find you guys a way to get those books, okay? But I think that'd be awesome. Anyway, I'm going to let you guys go. You got more important things to do than sit and listen to me. Okay, pardon all the mess in the background. But this is my office and / storage room. This is one of those. Also, the home of the ugliest wallpaper in the world. You can look at it. It's crazy. But for some reason, my wife likes it. Long story. But this is my attempt to give you guys a way to get extra credit. I hope you enjoy it. I hope it becomes something that you guys use. And if you do use it, man, I'll work on this. I'll bust my tail to make sure you guys get the grade you guys deserve. Peace out. See you guys later. Bye.